Hi everyone, I'm Mike from Herdio Audio and we hope to make home audio systems more affordable to more families. Traditional wall-mounted outdoor speakers are a popular choice for enhancing audio experiences in outdoor spaces. These speakers are specifically designed to withstand various weather conditions while delivering high-quality sound. Featuring a durable and weather-resistant construction, these speakers are typically built with robust materials such as weatherproof enclosures and corrosion-resistant components. And Herdio's outdoor speakers have an IP66 waterproof rating. This ensures their longevity and ability to withstand rain, wind, and extreme temperatures. Whether you're hosting a patio barbecue, relaxing by the pool, or enjoying an evening under the stars, wall-mounted outdoor speakers offer a reliable and efficient solution to enhance your outdoor entertainment experience with high-quality audio. Let's plan an outdoor speaker system for your patio with an example today. With a budget of only $270 instead of $670. If you're new to Herdio, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our updates. So let's get started. This is a customer-designed backyard. The swimming pool measures approximately 32 feet in length and 16 feet in width, resulting in a total area of 538 square feet. The patio occupies an area of around 322 square feet. It is designed as an outdoor seating and entertainment area. And the pathways within the courtyard cover a combined area of approximately 215 square feet. When planning to install a wall-mounted outdoor speaker system on a tight budget for your backyard, here are some steps you can follow. First, look for affordable outdoor speakers that offer a good balance between price and quality. Consider brands that provide cost-effective options without compromising on durability and sound performance. Herdio is committed to making the home audio system more affordable and convenient for more families while still maintaining sound quality. Second, identify the essential features you need in your outdoor speaker system. Focus on factors like weather resistance, durability, and ease of installation rather than advanced features that may increase the cost. Herdio's all-weather outdoor speakers are simple and durable, with easy-to-install swivel brackets that allow for up to a 120-degree range of motion, while the front swivels up to 90 degrees. Ensure easy placement and focus on the sound quality you want. Link to Bluetooth in a second and enjoy your music anytime. So you'll also need to determine the size of your backyard and the specific areas where you want audio coverage. This will help you decide on the number of speakers you need and their placement. If you are using our outdoor speakers, we recommend one pair of 4-inch speakers for areas 323 square feet and under, one pair of 5.25-inch speakers for 430 square feet, and one pair of 6.5-inch speakers for 538 square feet. For example, in this swimming pool, you can install a pair of 6.5-inch speakers. One left and one right channel can let the sound cover your swimming pool very well. In the patio area, if you want to cover the entire area more evenly during a party, you can install two 4-inch speakers in both directions. You can also install 4 speakers in 4 directions. These 4 speakers are made possible by using a 4-channel amplifier with 2 speakers placed in the left channel and 2 speakers placed in the right. And Herdio's 2 or 4 outdoor speakers won't cost more than $300. Third, save on installation costs by doing it yourself. Most wall-mounted outdoor speakers come with user-friendly installation instructions. Like most speakers, our speakers are screwed and bracketed into the mounting. Ensure you have the necessary tools and hardware for mounting the speakers securely, such as a drill, screwdriver, anchors and screws, plastic piping, etc. In addition to the above 3 basic points, the following steps can be achieved when installing your outdoor speaker system to achieve satisfactory audio performance and durability. Optimize the placement of your speakers to maximize audio coverage. Place the speakers in high places, such as walls or pillars, fences, to ensure that the sound is diffused throughout the area. These are the most popular mounting locations. Many outdoor speakers are weatherproof, but they still need some cover. Is your roof near the ground or deck? Mount your speakers underneath to protect them from the rain. Don't forget to plan the routing of speaker cables from the audio source to each speaker location. Use outdoor rated cables. We recommend 16-gauge speaker cable, and consider concealing them within walls, underground conduits, or decorative elements to maintain a clean and organized appearance. Determine the power supply requirements for the speakers. Ensure that there are accessible electrical outlets nearby, or consider using battery-powered or solar-powered options for greater flexibility. Our outdoor speakers are equipped with DC power cables for easy replacement of the power supply when used outdoors. That's hardwired. Choose an affordable amplifier to power your outdoor speakers. Consider features such as weather resistance, power output, and compatibility with your audio source. Our outdoor speaker systems will give you 2 cost-effective connection options. You can choose a version with a built-in Bluetooth amplifier. You don't need an amplifier, or you can choose to use it with one of our simple and practical amplifiers. After installation, don't forget to test the system and fine-tune the audio settings for optimal sound quality. Make adjustments as needed to achieve balanced sound distribution throughout the courtyard. Alternatively, if your budget is extremely limited, consider installing a basic setup initially and expanding it gradually over time. Start with a smaller number of speakers and add more as your budget allows. Remember, while planning on a tight budget, it's essential to balance cost with quality to ensure that you still achieve satisfactory audio performance and durability for your outdoor speaker system. By following these steps, you can effectively plan the installation of a wall-mounted outdoor speaker system for your courtyard, creating an enjoyable and immersive audio experience in your outdoor space. So hopefully this video will help you towards planning an outdoor speaker system for your patio with a minimal budget. Some specifications about them can be found in this video. If you're looking for the right outdoor speakers for you at Herdio, learn more by watching our beginner's guide. You can also contact us by email. Always happy to help. Then be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of the Herdio speaker series. See you in the next video.